What's up, guys? Alright, so as you can see, we're doing a little beach camping. We've never got to do this because we live along the Gulf Coast and you just can't camp on the beach like this where we live. So as you know, I've been doing some of you know, several of you have tuned in, I've been doing the transformation of my GMC Yukon from Mom Mobile grocery getter to a mildly capable adventure wagon. This is almost the end product. Now I'm going to take you around and show you a few things that I did to the truck to get it ready for this trip. So let's start at the front. The lights on the hood, the bug deflector. The bug deflector is merely aesthetics. I just wanted more black. I do have a black grill to go in it, have not put it in yet. Alright, 2-inch rough country leveling struts. I went with the Nitto Grappler Terra Grappler. That's about a 33-inch tire on a 17-inch rim, and the reason for that is I wanted more sidewall so that I could air down to drive on the beach. You see up on the top there we have a 36-inch wide rack, which worked perfect for what I wanted, because I wanted to be able to haul stuff on top. Right now I'm just using it for storage. None of that stuff is hauled up there. And then I've got an older Thule ski box. It's narrow enough, and inside of there I keep all my things that I don't necessarily have to have every day. Things like tools. I got a ratchet set, got a couple of different tool bags up there. I have extra coolant, extra oil, you know, just things that you might need. Recovery rope, it's up there. Eventually up here on my rack I will have my traction boards mounted. I just ran out of time, didn't get that done, but you can see I do have my axe mounted, and behind the towels and stuff that are sitting there I have a mount for my shovel. Yes, this is our bathroom facilities. It has actually worked very well. Everything about coming out here, everything gets covered in sand. We have been heating water in this large pan and setting this little solar or little battery operated rechargeable shower, a little cheap thing I got off Amazon. It actually works really good. All this back here is stuff that we had already from the teardrop, so this is nothing that unusual. Alright, so you can see we got a CB up there. This is just where we've been sleeping. We've just got some roll-up memory foam mattresses in here, and they work great. It's very comfortable. We got LED lights back here. We have a little fan to move some air, and we have these little screens. I'll carry you around here and show you, so that we can leave the side windows down without worrying about bugs getting in. These little things just slide over the window. You can see the window's down, but it keeps the bugs from getting in. Now, one of the best things that we like the most is our ARB awning here. It's the 8x8, 2500 by 2500, I think is their model, what they call it. We have it anchored down with sandbags here. It works really good. We did have to get up in the middle of the night last night or no, it's actually about 5 o'clock this morning, and take it down because the wind just got so rough. But you know, sometimes you have to adjust on a little bit when the wind gets to pushing the holes down in the ground and stuff. You got to move it around a little, but we really like it. It does have LED lights. See the strip of LED lights through here, and we have really enjoyed our trip our first trip. I don't know that it'll be our last trip. I don't know that it'll be, but we have certainly enjoyed this trip. Anything to add?
I don't know everything you've said, but this is a detox trip. So if you need to detox and feel like you're the only people in the world,
if you want a people detox, get away from people.
A people detox, yes.
You can see all the way down the beach there. No one. Turn around this way. All the way down the beach. No one. So we've really enjoyed our trip so far. We've enjoyed the truck. Has worked out very well so far. And I told Shannon I was so looking forward to just spending a boring day sitting here under the awning. And that's exactly what we've done. Tomorrow's going to be our last day on the island. We're going to get up, cook breakfast, drink our coffee, and load up, and we're going to go explore the island a little bit before we have to be back at the ferry at 3:15 tomorrow afternoon. So yeah. Truck has worked out very well so far. Very happy, very happy. Trip has been awesome. Trip has been awesome. Can't wait to get home and edit this video. All right, later guys. If you enjoyed this episode, consider subscribing so you can join us on the rest of our crazy adventures. Remember to get out and find your own adventure, because even bad adventures make great stories. Thanks for tagging along with us today, guys.